Hello everyone, myself Saili Shamu Mandavkar. We are the students of Ghada Institute of Technology Lovell Khed, Department of Civil Engineering, presenting a video on our project Comparative Study of RC Structure with and without shear wall under the guidance of Dr. Amardeep D. Bhosle sir. My project partners are Bhushan Mahendra Sawant, Siddhi Mahesh Sawant and Sushant Pradeep Warekar. As we know, at present, India is fast growing economy which demands an increasing of infrastructure facilities along with the growth of population. So to cater this land demand, especially in urban regions, vertical development is carried out. This type of vertical development brings challenges to counteract additional lateral loads, hence shear walls are provided to resist these lateral loads. So, what is shear wall? The wall which is mainly designed to resist lateral forces in its own plane is called as shear walls. Shear wall starts from the foundation and should be continuous throughout height of the building. The aim of our project was to compare the behavior of RC structure with and without shear wall to find out optimum position of shear wall. The objectives of our project was first to study various structural concepts, second to analyze the multi-story building with and without shear wall using ETAP software, third to study behavior of the structure under different locations of shear wall, and the last one is to investigate the optimum position of shear wall. The methodology we adopted in our project was first we modeled an G plus 15 story building in ETAP software and analyzed building without and with shear wall at various loads. After that we compared the results and graph for the parameters story displacement and story drift and we investigate the optimum position of shear wall. The expected result was structure constructed with shear wall are more stable than that of without shear wall. This is the plan of structure without shear wall we have drawn in AutoCAD. The parameters we have considered in our project was type of building, high-rise RCC building G plus 15 story, height of structure 52.95 meter, seismic zone 4, soil of type laterite, type of loads dead load, live load, wind load in x and y direction, superimposed dead load and earthquake load in x and y direction. Material properties was steel of HYSD 500 and concrete of grade M25. Member dimensions was beam of size 230 by 450 and 150 by 450. Column of size 230 by 600. Slab of thickness 150 mm and shear wall of thickness 150 mm. This is the plan of structure without shear wall. We have analyzed the structure with shear wall and without shear wall. Shear wall was provided at various positions and its parameters were compared with the structure without shear wall. We have placed the shear wall at three different positions: shear wall at fire duct lift, shear wall at corner, and shear wall at fire duct lift corner. In this plan, the shear walls are provided at fire duct and lift. In this plan, the shear walls are provided at corners. And in this plan, the shear walls are provided at fire duct, lift and corners. The parameters we have compared in our project was maximum displacement and maximum story drift. Maximum displacement means the lateral displacement of the story relative to the base. Excessive lateral displacement of the building can be limited by the lateral force resisting system, means shear walls. Second one is maximum story drift. It is defined as ratio of displacement of two consecutive floor to height of that floor. Maximum story drift is the maximum story drift value of a certain story which is unitless. This graph is about maximum story displacement versus load. The type of loads was dead load, live load, superimposed dead load, wind load in x and y direction, and earthquake load in x and y direction. The blue line indicates structure without shear wall. Orange line indicates structure with shear wall at fire duct lift, and the gray line indicates structure with shear wall at corners, and the yellow line indicates structure with shear wall at fire duct lift corners. From this figure, it was found that minimum story displacement was found out for the structure with shear wall at fire duct lift corner. This graph is about story displacement versus load. The type of loads we have taken was dead load, live load, superimposed dead load, wind load in x and y direction, and earthquake load in x and y direction. The blue line indicates structure without shear wall. Orange line indicates structure with shear wall at fire duct lift. The gray line indicates structure with shear wall at corners, and the yellow line indicates structure with shear wall at fire duct lift corner. From this graph, it was found that no story drift was found for the structure with shear wall at fire duct lift and corner. From our project, we have concluded that first, G plus 15 storage structure with and without shear wall was analyzed by using ETAP software, and structural parameters, story displacement and story drift was investigated. Second, from analysis of G plus 15 story structure, percentage reduction in story displacement and story drift for shear wall at fire duct and lift, shear wall at corners, and shear wall at fire duct lift and corners was 39.09, 28.58, 56.57 mm, and 62.56, 42.38, and 100 respectively. Third, structure with shear wall is more stable than that of structure without shear wall. And the last one is optimum position of shear wall was found out for the shear wall at fire duct, lift and corners because the structure is more stable than shear wall at fire duct and lift and shear wall at corners. Thank you.